Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of chapter number 1. In last session we have discussed about the amplitude shift keying, that is ASK, where the amplitude varies and frequency and phase goes constant. So in this new topic, that is the FSK, frequency shift keying FSK, the frequency of carrier signal varied to represent data. The frequency of the modulated signal is constant for the duration of one signal element but changes for the next element if the data element changes. Both peak amplitude and phase remains constant for all elements signals. The diagram shows the binary frequency shift keying where amplitude versus baud rate is there. Thereby we have considered baud rate of 5. For a digit of 5, that is 10110, that is digit signal. Every signal element is having values, that is 10110. That 10110 is implemented as shown in the figure. That first of all we draw the digital signal. That digital signals are converted into the carrier signals where the frequency is varied but amplitude and phase is constant. That carrier signal are again converted into modulated signal. Either 3 number line indicate the modulated signal. Here digital signals are converted into BPSK by using the voltage controller oscillator, that is VCO. Okay, VCO. There are 2 implementations of BPSK, that is one is non-coherent and second is coherent. First one is non-coherent and coherent. In a non-coherent BFSK, there may be discontinuity in the phase when one signal element ends and next begins. In coherent BFSK, the phase continues through the boundary of 2 signal elements. Okay. The non-coherent BFSK can be implemented by treating BFSK as a 2 ASK modulations and using 2 carrier frequencies. In coherent BFSK can be implemented by using one voltage oscillator, that is VCO, that changes its frequency according to the input voltage. Overall, in this whole FSK, we recognize that frequency shift keying, that is FSK, is a part of communication where the frequency varies. Sometimes we have to send data through the frequency having different locations, different hertz, like this. That is frequency changes, but amplitude and your phase remains constant. In that case, frequency shift key is used where we can use that data sent through the network for a digital to analog conversion. Okay, what happened in digital to analog conversion? In digital to analog conversion, the process of changing one of the characteristics of analog signal based on the information of the digital data means what? You have to send the digital data over the cable. That is, you have to need to convert the digital data into analog signal, where in FSK the frequency varies. When frequency varies, then there should be a shift keying is there to maintain the authentication of the data and durability of data and synchronization of data. So for that, a BFSK is used.